Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to design the perfect t-shirt mock-up for your brand using Photoshop. Before start the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more design tips. Let's jump right in. We are in Photoshop and I have open t-shirt image. You can easily find image and design links in description, or you can use your own. Now let's start with creating placeholder using rectangle tool and click on the canvas. And I am using size 1080 by 1080 and click OK. Now change rectangle color white to gray following the color code and click OK. Change the name of rectangle layer to placeholder. Right-click on and convert to Smart Object. Now press Ctrl+T and resize it and adjust to the t-shirt. Now click on Image Layer and right-click, select Duplicate Layer. Select the destination New and name it Displacement. And click OK. Open a new document, make desaturate using Shift+Ctrl+U. Now go to Filters tab, then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. And set the radius value according to your image, and I'm using is 5 pixels. Press Ctrl+S and save it. Close the document. Now select the placeholder layer and make duplicate layer, press Ctrl+J. Hide original layer and change name to multiply. Go to Filters tab, then Distort and select Displace. Set the value and open your displacement document. Change the blend mode, normal, to multiply. Again, go to Filters tab, then Blur and select Gaussian Blur and set the radius value 1 pixel. Now double-click Multiply Layer. In Underline Layer, select right slider and slide to left. And hold Alt key and click on slider and break it, and break part slide to right, hit OK. Duplicate the layer and double-click and following the steps. And reduce the opacity. Again, create duplicate layer and right-click and clear layer style. And change layer name to screen. And change blend mode, normal, to screen. Now hold Alt key and click on Image Layer and go to Channel panel. Hold Control key and click on RGB channel, make selection. Go to Layer panel. Select Screen Layer and make Mask, and unhide the layers. Select Layer Mask and press Ctrl+M and following the setting and click OK. Select all Smart Objects layers and create group and name it Adjustments. Now select Placeholder Layer, unhide it, and set the fill value 100 to 0%. Now, double-click on the placeholder layer to open it. Drag your design or image into this new document and resize it to fit the placeholder. Once you're happy with the design, hit Save and return to your main document. See how it automatically updates. Now increase the brightness. Click on Adjustment Group, select Screen Layer Mask, and press Ctrl+M and following the settings and click OK. That is, our t-shirt mock-up ready. And also adjust the multiply layer opacity. Let's try other design or arts on our t-shirt mock-up. double-click on Placeholder layer and drag Design. That's how you create a realistic T-shirt mockup in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.